Good day everyone, my name is John Leonard Calwood from this IT3D. Today, I will discuss to you the K-means clustering.
First is import necessary libraries. NumPy as NP for numerical operation, especially array manipulation. Pandas as PD for data manipulation and analysis. Matplotlib PyPlot for creating visualization such as plot. Sklearn.cluster contains clustering algorithm, especially K-means. Is imported K-means clustering. Sklearn.datasets contains datasets for machine learning. Here loads the Irish datasets. Sklearn.preprocessing contains tools for data preprocessing standard scalar. Sklearn.decomposition contains dimensionality reduction technique, especially PCA. Principal components analysis is imported for dimensionality reduction. Irish is equals load_Irish. Load the Irish datasets from scikit-learn. The dataset contains measurements, sepal length and sepal width, petal length and petal width for 150 Irish flowers for 3 different species. X equals Irish.data assigns the features data measurements to the variable X. This is NumPy array. Y equals Irish.targets assign the true label species to the variable Y. This is also a NumPy array representing the ground truth for classification. And next is standardize the data. Data standard deviation is a crucial pre-processing step in data analysis and machine learning. Scalar equals standard scalar creates an instance of the standard scalar class. Standard scalar is pre-processing techniques that transform data to have zero mean and unit variance. Next is x underscore scaled equals scalar dot fit underscore transform close parenthesis x. Applies the standard deviation to the data in x. Scalar dot fit underscore transform x. This method does two things. Fit computes the mean and standard deviation of each features in x. Transform apply the standard deviation using the computed mean and standard deviation. Next is apply K-mean clustering. N underscore cluster equals 3. This specifies that we want to find 3 clusters in data. Random state equals 42. This sets the random seed for reproducibility. K-means that fit x scaled applies the K-means algorithm to the standardized data. The algorithm interactively assigns data points to cluster and update the cluster center until convergence or a maximum number of iteration is reached. Cluster equals K-means that label. Extract the cluster label assigned to each data point. Center equals K-means that cluster centers. Extract the coordinates of the cluster center. PCA equals PCA and underscore components equals 2 creates an PCA object that will reduce the data to 2 principal components. X underscore PCA equals PCA dot fit underscore transform applies PCA to the standardized data. First, the PCA model to the data calculating principal components and transform the data into the reduced dimensionality space. Centers underscore PCA equals PCA dot transform centers. Project the cluster centers obtained in the previous step into the same two-dimensional PCA space. PLT dot figure fig size equals 8 and 6 sets the figure size. PLT dot scatter x underscore PCA creates an scatter plot of the data points in the PCA space. X underscore PCA the first principal components. X under PCA 1 the second principal components. C equals cluster colors the point according to their cluster assignment. CMap equals Viridis use the Viridis color map. Marker use circle as markers. Edge color sets the edge color to black for better visibility. PLT scatter, plot the cluster centers and red X markers. PLT.title, sets the title and label. PLT.legend, add a legend to the plot. PLT.show, display the plot.
That concludes my video presentation. Thank you for watching.